Hi, welcome to my page. I'm Reshma. Many of you all know about me, but to all the new followers, this is Reshma. So I just wanted to share you about some of the winter essentials that we are having in store. So it is the climate is already really very cold. So I think winter essentials from our side is very necessary. So today I came to live to show you some of our ear muffs and the stretch bands, which will cover your ear part actually. So yeah, let me show you how it's going to go. Yeah, so first let me show you the first collection that I've got here. Yeah, so these are the ear muffs. It comes in black, grey and brown and a light this brown shade which comes with pineapples, carrots and cabbage. I think no, it's lime and it's strawberry. Strawberry or it's a watermelon. Yeah. So these are the earmuffs. This is uploaded in the website actually. So I'll just show you, how it covers. So it's good to go, right? Yeah. So actually this is this fits from 1 year babies till, see, I'm using it, right? So it fits from 1 year. Now for below 1 year kids it will become a little small, so it will fit for above 1 year kids. Yeah, so this is one product I wanted to show you, and let me show you another product. Yeah, so this is another product actually. See, we have more colors in this. Yeah, so is it clear, guys? Yeah, see. Yeah, so we have a lot of colors in this actually. If you can see, this is gray, brown, and this is a kind of a mousse color, and this is a light brown, creamish, and this is light pink, and this is gray. It comes with sunflowers here and there. If you can see a sunflower with a smiley. Yeah, so it is really nice, right? So yeah, so it is actually covering it has got a huge bun, so it actually covers the whole part. If you can see this. These are all priced at 200 per piece. I have seen a lot of other websites who are charging more than that, 350, 400 also. I have seen a lot of websites. So yeah, you should actually check out these. Okay, this is another product. This is also uploaded in our website. And I would like to mention we have very limited collection in this. Since it's almost, it's going to near December, I think it will really go quick, because the season is getting chillier everywhere. Even at Vizag, we are getting minimum of 24 degrees Celsius to around 22. It is dropping to even 22. So see, even I have started using a fur clip. I just wanted to, let it be snowy, cold, the winter essentials. It's like that. Yeah, and this is another product. If you can see, it comes with a little bow out here. And yeah, see, this comes with a little light pink, and this is red, and this is gray, and this is brown. Yeah, and this is black. Okay, so these, see, even I will wear it this, and I will show it to you. See, it even extends. This actually extends. I just noticed it now. This even extends. See, you can slightly push and you can pull, push and pull. So it has a slight adjustment. It will definitely fit for from a 1.5 year baby to adults as well, not below that age. So it will become a little bit loose. It will become too big for infants actually. Yeah, so this is the product. This is one product. This is also uploaded in our website. You just need to go search as you just need to log in www.blingher.in, and you will be able to find ear muffs as one subcategory. Or if you're not able to find the subcategory, you can at least search so that you will be able to find that subcategory. Okay, so this is another product. So yeah, so these are the winter essentials I would like to show you guys. So we have 3 in earmuffs actually. So let me show you another product. Yeah, so these are also these are also some winter essentials. You can actually use it as a facial band or a makeup band, or you can even use it while you're going out. So let me wear it and show it to you so that you will understand how it's working. Yeah, see, you can either cover your ears also. See, you can even cover your ears in this. So yeah, so it actually fits me also. I'm covering my ears also. Yeah, so it even fits for a newborn, I suppose. At least for 3 or 6 months baby it will fit. So yeah, it will even suit the adults also it will suit. So in this we are having 5 different colors, I guess. Yeah, see, these are the colors. Yeah, this is black, and this is pink, and this is green, this is another color. This comes under that mousse color. Yeah, and this is light pink. Yeah, so yeah, these are Mickey here stretch bands. Stretch bands will almost suit for all the ages because you know it stretches according to the circumference of the head. So yeah, it has got a good stretch also. I just feel that even the smallest 6 months babies can also wear it. Till then you can, you know, I think it will suit up to the adults also. Yeah, so let me show you another product of the same category. Yeah, so these comes with a small bean shaped stuff. See, I am just loving this actually. See, yeah, you can actually use it for your facials or anything. You can use it for, see, it has got a good stretch. So yeah, let me wear it and show you too. See, am I looking cute? Yeah, so you can actually cover your ears also in this, or you can just completely wear it like this as a shower band or anything. You can just tie up your hair. You can use it for makeup, or you can use it for facials, or you can even use it as a night band also. Yeah, it has got a good stretch also. It even fits the smallest babies also. Yeah, it has got pretty colors. See, we have got pink, yellow, white and black, and yeah, there's a baby pink also. See, I just wanted to show you this also. It has got that fluffy kind of, that wintry effect, you know. These are winter essentials. Yeah, let me show you another product. Yeah, see, this is my all-time favorite, I would say. It comes with a pretty bow. Can you see this bow? So let me wear it and show you to you. Yeah, see, it comes with a cute little bow. You can either completely wear it like this, or you can even cover your ears like this, because the band is more stretchable. So yeah, you can even cover it like this. Okay, so yeah, this also has pretty colors. You can even adjust this band. Yeah, so let me show you. This has purple, white, yellow, red, and yeah, both the same colors. So these 3 colors are there in this. If you just go and check my website for stretch bands or baby bands, or you can even search as earmuffs. Okay, you will be able to find it. This is stretch band category. This comes under stretch band category. Earmuffs are different. Yeah, so these. Yeah, and yes, I just wanted to show you another product. Yeah, so these are for smaller babies. Actually, the stretch is good. I feel even adults can use, at least 15 to 16-year-old kids can use. Yeah, see, the stretch is also good. It suits for even the smallest babies. So we have a lot of shapes in this. See, the teddy bear. We have a pretty little star. And we have elephant. Yeah, see, this is the cutest. Oh yeah, this is the cutest. See, elephant, and we have a lot of colors also in this. See, there's a watermelon. Yeah, even this has got a good stretch. You can use it for baby photo shoots, or you can use it for as a winter essential or everything. Like it has got pretty colors and pretty shapes, and it also, you know, includes the essential needs. Yeah, so let me show you some other colors in this. Yeah, there's a cloud here. Can you see the cloud? Yeah, there's a cloud here, and there are so many shapes. We have uploaded all the shapes, so please go and check it in my website. Yeah, see, this is a frog. Yeah, isn't the frog so cute? Yeah, there's a teddy bear also. There's another teddy bear. We have segregated all the colors in different products. Actually, everything comes under stretch bands and baby bands categories. So you can just go and log in case if you're having any trouble in placing an order, or if you're having any trouble in opening the website, you can actually ping me in my WhatsApp or my Instagram chat. I will be always available. You know, you can contact me, and you can, if you have any issues regarding that, you can contact me and you can place an order. Yeah, so hoping, yeah, there's one more design actually. It is a dinosaurus. Yeah, see, it's a dinosaurus. Yeah, so these are the yeah, this particular I came live only to show you these winter essentials. Yeah, even this fur clips will also, you know, more suitable for this Christmassy season. Actually, we have some fur clips also in our page. You can actually go and visit my page, and if you have any doubts, in case, just come and contact me. I will help you in case if you're having any issues. Okay then, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Keep shopping, keep supporting, keep showering so much love. Thank you so much. Bye bye.